Hi everyone. Today we are going to study about protease inhibitor. Protease inhibitor or trypsin inhibitor. Now where it is found? It is found in soya bean, kidney bean, mung bean, potato, rye, barley, triticale and in alfalfa. What are its type? So there are two types of protease inhibitor, Yun's inhibitor and Bowman inhibitor. Yun's inhibitor only inhibits trypsin and Bowman inhibitor inhibits both trypsin and chymotrypsin. What does it do? It interferes with the methionine activity in the animal body. Which animals are most affected? As soybean is the major source of protease inhibitor, the cotyledons, outer part of cotyledons, protease inhibitor is more concentrated. So, in pig and poultry, it is the major source of protein in their diet. In young chicken, it develops pancreatic hypertrophy, and in other non-ruminants, growth is affected, urge of eating is affected, protein digestibility is affected, and pancreatic hypertrophy, and also the interference with sulfur amino acids. What is the solution? Solution for this is that protease inhibitor is heat labile. If you heat it in an autoclave for 15 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius, all the effect is neutralized to 95% and you can give soybean to your animals very easily and no effect will be seen. So this was protease inhibitor.